Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So going forward, I thought it would be fun on Mondays to post a remodel recap, just kind of going through the process of the week and what we get done and what we don't get done and what our ideas are, just to share them with you. We are doing this remodel on a budget, and I think that pretty much the majority of people that are doing remodels want to do it on a budget. And so if we can be any help or inspiration to any of you, I think it's worth it, and I want to share that with you. So also, kind of like a side note, kind of the reason I haven't been posting a lot of other kind of videos, because I'm going to show you the mess that I'm living in, and it's just reality, and it's where we're at and what we're doing, and I'm really grateful that we get the opportunity to do this. So I'm not complaining about the mess. I'm just, it's kind of affecting all of my YouTube stuff, but it's okay. With all of that to say, we're going to do the weekly videos of just kind of what we've been doing throughout the week. Some weeks it might be longer, some weeks it might just be super short, because obviously we both have jobs, and so this is like an after work type of project, and we can't get things done as fast as we would like, but it'll get done. Anyway, in the meantime, I thought that doing these videos would be helpful, but I'm also going to film more in-depth videos. So I will show you like the before and afters of Lincoln's bedroom. I will show you the before and afters of the bathroom and any kind of DIY projects that we do in there. And so you'll still get behind the scenes, but you'll also get just a recap. So I hope you will enjoy it. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join our community here. It's so fun. I love you guys. You can also find me on Instagram. I do lots of behind the scenes throughout the days over there too, if you'd like. I know some of you don't have Instagram. I just feel like, I don't know, that's where I kind of started, and YouTube is like an extension of Instagram, and I just adore my little community here. And so anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. Anyway, let me show you kind of where we're at, what we're doing. Like I said, we started this last weekend, so some things are already done, but you get to see it anyway. So here we go. All right, I'm just gonna give you an overview of what we've done, where we're at, kind of our ideas. You'll see my dogs in any video I do, because they have to be within sight of me all the time. All right, you can see a column being built right here. We are going for a craftsman style inspired feel and look in this house. I just love that. I love all the trim and ornate details that come with craftsman style homes. And so I just wanted to do my best at bringing it in. And I saw on a TV show that I watched, I screenshotted it and I sent it to my husband, and I'm like, let's make this happen. And so that's what we're doing. So this will be a column, and there'll be a matching column on this side of the railing. This will all be changed out eventually, but and then this side will be board and bat, but this side will be shiplap, I think. I'm kind of going back and forth with that, if I did just do all board and bat or accent with shiplap. I don't know. If you have any thoughts on that, let me know in the description box or in the comments box below. But so this week we have been working on the board and bat. So we did end up using masonite throughout this whole project, because it just, for the price, it was worth it. So I didn't have to sand and prime and do all of that hard work. So it cost us about $100, and totally worth it. A lot of trim. My husband works in the construction industry, and a lot of trimmers will let him know when they have extra trim and stuff, which is, we're so grateful for. So all of the boards were free, so the $100 was nothing. Anyway, so we have board and bat. So we have the masonite, and then we have the boards. They are spaced 16 inches apart on center, and we have new base molding and new trim around the doors. Erin is working on doing all of these headers, because if you go to like an old craftsman style home, you will find beautiful headers in every house. These are not done. There still needs to be a crown put just along there, and then they will be done. We also put a piece of trim up along the top there. And I think it's gonna look so beautiful, all painted white. This is the mess we're living in because it's bitter cold outside. And so we're chopping things in the living room. Eventually all this carpet will be gone, so we're not too concerned about it. And also this whole wall will all be gone. So let me give you a shot from this other angle looking into the hallway. So you'll see all this will be trimmed out beautifully. All the hallway is going to be, like, I'm so excited to look down this hallway and see all of this white, beautiful trim. And I'm gonna replace the light, and I'm just so excited about it. Moving down the hall, I'll give you a little bit better look at the trim down here. Since these doors are so close together, he just ran the header all the way across on that one, and then also on this part right here. This is staying because we are redoing the bathroom, and by doing that we're getting rid of a lot of storage, because the old vanity was a lot of storage, and so this is necessary. We have to have it. So what we're going to do is just have some new doors built for it. The other ones were just very thin, basic doors, kind of like all the doors in this house. Speaking of which, let me just turn this around so I can kind of show you what we're working with for the doors. They're just basic white doors. There's nothing fancy to them. They're actually very like lightweight, basic doors. But if you can see here, Erin has trimmed out this door and painted it. And I'm gonna give you like a close-up because I want you to see how beautiful. You would never know that this door was handmade. Like, you just would not. It's so beautiful. So he did have to move out these door stops. Let me just show you. Oop, you might get a little sneaky peek of Lincoln's room. Oop, there it is. Little sneak peek. See, you can kind of see right here how he had to move that over, but then the doors just shut perfect. And it's gonna look so good with all of these all matching. But let's go in the bathroom here. Sorry, we're using just like a crappy light in here, so it's really blue, but in here we're doing new vanity, new mirror, new light, new faucet. We're gonna keep the same toilet because it's fine. We did the peel and stick floor tiles, and currently they're working out fine. If you saw my fireplace video, you know that they did not work for that, but I wanted to give them a go again, and they're doing much better on the floor. We just need to get more. We have shiplapped this back wall, and we did like a wainscoting of shiplap. This back one is going to be all white, and then I haven't decided 100%, but I'm thinking of doing this one kind of that blue color in the tile. This wall is going to change eventually. You can see right now that this is the edge of the shower, and then there's that like 12-inch piece right there. Eventually we're gonna knock the wall down and move it out to meet this, because on the other side of that wall is our bathroom, and it's very, very small. So that will give us 12 extra inches in there, which won't make a huge difference, but it'll definitely make the shower usable. Erin uses the shower, but I cannot stand to be in there. I feel claustrophobic. So anyway, the toilet will eventually also be moved over. So the vanity that we picked out is much smaller than the original one that was in here for that reason. So it might look a little silly at first until we can do that part, but I think it will be okay. Once we do the bathroom wall, we will eventually add actual tiles here and tile the tub surround, because that looks way nice. And this is fine. It's just not my style. So lots of projects. This, like I said, this is gonna be a long process, but we are really, really excited and incredibly grateful that we get the opportunity to do this together. And yeah, I wanted to also tell you guys, in this process, I'm trying to learn how to use power tools. And so he's trying to teach me little things here and there so that I can help more. That is my goal for the year. I usually try to set some kind of goal that pushes me creatively. Like the last 2 years have been cake decorating, and I just went with it and I enjoyed it and I'm better at it. I'm not perfect at it, but it's just something to do that I don't have to like worry about making money doing it. I just do it for fun. And so this year we're learning how to be handy, because my husband is like the all-time handiest. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you because I want to tell you about something over here that I'm going to work on when he gets home. So we are going to be shiplapping inside that little bench area, and I'm going to try to work on that. I'm going to try and cut the wood, and I'm going to nail it up. Just the little baby steps in creating something with power tools. So maybe I'll share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these remodel episodes, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.